European Macedonia.
Hey, what's up guys? We are back here in Macedonia. It's my third day here in Macedonia and with Hubby and Bratse Bogdan.
Hello.
With Vilko. Yeah, so now we are going to Auntie Betty's place. Which part of?
It's like the outskirts of the capital.
And we will try to see some other places also there. We're going to have lunch there and might have some coffee to chill. And I will give you a small tour. Let's see what we're going to happen today. But today will be a chill out day. So yeah, that's it. Later.
Hey guys, we are back now. We just reached the very old monastery, which is like 20 minutes driving from the capital, but unfortunately we cannot go inside because we are wearing shorts. We are very sporty dressed, and plus Billy is with us, so yeah, we cannot go inside, but we can show you how is from the outside, so you can have an idea where is this and how old is this place. Sedi тук. Чекай тук.
Седи доле.
Седи тук, чекай. Чекай тук.
So where are we at now, Hobbs? Which part?
We are in front of the gates. Gates of the monastery. Which is entrance. We are here. No.
Someone's living there also?
What?
Someone's living there?
Here? Yeah, probably the people who take care of the monastery. If you want to go to a picnic, I know a very good place. It's on a... Alesi Bill. Where
We need to go from other side. Go down.
Here?
Yeah, from the way we came.
I still have dough in my fingernails. Are you filming? Oh my god.
Yeah, this one is going live on YouTube.
No.
No. You will be famous in Macedonia. You will be guest star in the other television.
I'm already
Remember who? Martina?
Martina,
Oh,
yes.
Martina, yeah.
What, Martin?
Sooner, you'll never
She
know.
wants
We
to-
might
to
be in
bring
the
money to
national
some-
television.
Like serious.
So now we are going to show our viewers some of the small amount of nature that is around our country, which is very beautiful according to me, because I'm a mountain guy. I don't like beaches to swim and to those things, not the other beaches, huh? So yeah, show them the view. Yeah, as you can see, there is some cleaning action just right behind us. So I'm glad that the awareness of nature pollution in Macedonia is getting on a high level, which makes me happy. Because whenever you go to some river banks or to some lake banks, you can see a lot of plastic bottles, plastic bags left by some.
And they're starting
And now they're starting
to clean it.
to take care of it, which makes me happy.
You happy now?
Yeah, and we are going now next to the river.
It's a true jungle here.
Through the jungle. Not so much jungle, but yeah. as I was discussing before,
This should
this
be
shit happened. And you see the wolf, the white wolf there.
Is it? White wolf. This is a stray dog.
You can jump here.
I will give you hand if you want. Come.
Yeah, we can. I can jump.
Are you sure?
This.
The white wolf.
Vroom.
Лесно, ако се
Се сака и се-
организира, не,
да.
ако се организира, зашто пазите, ние сите допринесуваме, нали, нема некој што е чист или некој што е него треба да си има систем за ова, за чистење. Why they are not doing this, what they are supposed to be doing? You know,
Ne.
and hopefully this is the right way to be. I also just happen to be here. Generally I live in Miami most of the time, but we come here and we visit, because we have a friend. Значи, but let me
This time, Filipino
his wife
mixed
is
marriages
from
here.
Yeah, I'm glad that I'm in the 11th.
He'll put you. That guy over there, his wife is Filipino.
Okay.
Yes.
You ask him, he'll talk to you.
Okay, sure. We will ask.
Hi, how are you?
Kako si?
Yeah.
Dobro sam.
Kako znam
Fizika.
makedonski?
There are about
When
10
you come
Filipinos in
2 days ago we came. We
Ide
are,
napred.
we are living and working in Dubai.
Bravo.
So we came 2 days ago.
So yeah, we accidentally bumped into some people here, and they're doing some voluntarily cleaning of some of the places here, and it's very serious problem that we should do something, even the smallest thing, like putting your trash in your pocket or put it in some garbage.
My dear,
Hello.
you was in the church.
We went there.
I was never. I wanted to go.
Bravo.
Jak si?
Good, good.
Dobro?
Dobro.
Hi.
Hi, so friend.
Dobro, Ella, sedi.
Zdravo.
Zdravo, sedi. You like the monastery?
So much.
Tema. Ako.
Cute. Not you. This is the mother, this is the mother.
She's the mother.
I know. So what's up guys, again, Magic. We just got home and we've just changed our clothes because we're going to have a coffee with one of our friends. So I think that's it for tomorrow. Let's see what we're going to happen, but we might be busy tomorrow, right? So on the next day, on the other day. So yeah, that's it. Peace out. Deuces.